Arthur, be honest. Can anyone actually learn cloud computing without falling asleep?
That's literally why we built this channel. Watch the wall.
Every tutorial out there, an hour of slides, someone reading documentation, and me napping.
Here, 5 minutes, 2 stick figures, and 1 whiteboard that fights back.
I'm Lucius. I ask the questions you're too embarrassed to ask.
I'm Arthur. I answer them. No jargon allowed. It's in my contract.
Together we cover all of it. AWS, Google Cloud, Azure, Kubernetes, DevOps.
1 track per weekday. AWS Mondays, Kubernetes Tuesdays, Google Wednesdays, DevOps Thursdays, Azure Fridays.
And here's the trick nobody tells beginners. The clouds are basically the same 5 ideas.
Learn the ideas once, and every other cloud becomes a translation job. That's the whole plan.
Compute, storage, databases, networking, security. I learned that in one video.
And every fact you hear is checked against the official docs before we draw a single line. Sources in every description.
So stick around. Get it? Stick? Because we're...
They get it, Lucius.
Subscribe. Come learn the cloud with us in 5 minutes at a time.
See you in the next one, every weekday.